Good afternoon, Australia.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Estrella Montenegro, 32 years old, undergrad of Bachelor of Science, Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have 3 kids, ages 11, 8, and 4.
You work in Taiwan and serve how many members in the family?
4, ma'am.
How many adults?
2, 1 children, and 1 bedridden.
1 couple, 1 kid, and 1 bedridden.
Yes, ma'am.
Old age.
Yes, ma'am.
Your main duties in your employer's house?
Take care of the elderly, checking the diaper, taking a bath, give him the medicine, feeding him, and cleaning the house, ironing, washing, separate the color and the white, and checking the packets. If any, I will return to my employer's plan.
Who stay with the elderly sick?
Me, ma'am. Because I need to give him the medicine in the midnight and check him regularly.
What kind of illness did your employers have?
It's a cancer, ma'am.
Cancer?
Yes.
So bedridden, cannot walk, cannot do anything.
Yes, ma'am. That's why we always in the hospital.
So, what kind of food does he eat? Who cook for his food?
Soft food, ma'am.
Soft food. So you feed the old age,
Yes, ma'am.
sick elderly person.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
who do the cooking?
We are 2 maids in the family, ma'am.
You can cook.
Cook the food, ma'am.
You can
Because
cook.
yes, ma'am.
Can you name some Chinese food you still remember to cook? Steamed veggies.
Yes, ma'am. Same basis.
Do you think if your employer provides you a cookbook, you can follow by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I will do my very best to learn more cooking book.
Do you have any allergies in food, drugs, or detergent?
No, ma'am.
Any food you do not eat?
No, ma'am.
Do you love pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for future employers?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you will choose me, I will do my very best to be a good servant and follow all the rules and learn more to serve you better. And I'll promise to finish my contract. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, ma'am.